crunching hay. Hello, cow, hello.
Oh, oh, oh.
Pig goes oink in the muddy pen, rolling and splashing again and again. Chicken goes cluck and lays an egg, flaps her wings, shake her leg. Horse goes neigh, runs fast and strong, gallop, gallop all day long. Sheep goes by with fluffy white wool, so soft and cozy, super cool. Moo, oink, cluck, neigh, ba, ba, ma. We love the farm, yeah, yeah, yeah. Animals big and animals small, farm animal friends, we love them all. Moo, oink, cluck, neigh, ba, ma, ma. We love the farm, yeah, yeah, yeah. Animals big and animals small, farm animal friends, we love them all.
Clap, clap, clap. Hooray, hooray. Subscribe today. The Learning Besties are one click away.